The timing of Defense Minister Comrade Muchinguri Kashiri's trip to India raises suspicions, especially amid the ongoing ZANU-PF power struggles. As the party faces a deep internal divide, one faction aligns with President Mnangagwa's bid for a third term, while another vehemently opposes it, creating an atmosphere of political tension. Sanabena mashoko atona kuti panapa vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa Comrade Muchinguri Kashiri vanotumiwa kuti vaende kunyika India zvashamisa vanhu. Panguva ine patona kuti the party is in deep turmoil. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell. Kuti ipinda panapa bepa now vanotobera vachiti Muchinguri Kashiri's trip officially to attend the defense ministers conclave in India appears to serve as more than just a diplomatic mission. The conclave running until February 15 is expected to discuss global defense and security issues of mutual interest. While these topics are crucial, the timing suggests there might be a hidden agenda behind a visit. Bilateral meetings with Indian officials, including the Indian counterpart, could provide a cover for behind-the-scenes political maneuvering. Could he be securing support from Mnangagwa's third-term ambitions? Or is this a move of strengthening their own position in the party as factions vie the influence? Given the high stakes within ZANU-PF, their presence in India could signal more than just a routine diplomatic engagement. As Muchinguri attends the conclave, the actions and the outcomes of her meetings will undoubtedly be scrutinized in the context of Zimbabwe's ongoing political turbulence. Thomas Panobuda Panapa Vanavachu raised some questions as state of Umajit Iowa, Kuno attended this conclave. Inawo yekusimbisa aiwa post yake mu the ruling party here kana kuti vari kusimbisa the 2030 agenda, or there are some other reasons. Zvichiitika panguva ino tichiona the party is embroiled in a deep political turmoil. Tichiona kuti panguva ino vakomana havachadikanwi nevanhu, vakomana panguva ino vakunziro yepasi. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.